Hi guys, my name's Nicole and today I'm making videos on all of your comments that you've left on our previous videos. This video is about how to use the zone lighting in your next generation Ranger. So I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm sitting in an XLT with a touring pack. So it's all done from this screen up here. So clicking this little car button in the top right hand corner of your screen will bring you into your controls, and zone lighting's just right there. Your car does have to be off to use it. It won't work while you're driving. So I've got this car completely off and just in accessory mode. Turn the power on here. And now you have to click any of those 4 zones. We'll turn on the surrounding lights. If you want all zones to be on, just at the bottom here, there is a little all zone button. So really quick video on how to use the zone lighting in your next generation Ranger. If you do have any more comments, please leave them below and I'll make another video on it. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.